Whoa, there is an actual tree root growing around the carburetor. This engine bay isn't a machine anymore, it's a wildlife habitat. No way! Look at the frame rails, they're crumbling. It's just powder down here. This might be way worse than I thought.
I must be insane. This isn't a restoration, it's an excavation. But we have to save it, right?
Come on, are you serious? The bolt just snapped in half. This rust has fused everything together. Oh, the smell is absolutely toxic. Look at this. There's a whole ecosystem living under the driver's seat. Everything I touch just turns to dust. The dashboard is literally disintegration in my hands. What a nightmare. Even the rubber seal has turned into moss. And look at that window frame. There's barely any metal left to hold the glass. Stripped to the bone, it looks like a skeleton. That's a skeleton now. Easy. It's fighting me every inch of the way. Look at those vines snapping. I think the engine weighs twice as much with all this crud on it. Did you see that? I just blew a hole right through the shock tower. The metal is paper thin. Whoa, look at it fly off. It's eating right through the moss. But wait, what is that? Is that Bondo? Oh no, there's filler everywhere.
Whoa, okay, the dust is clearing. There she is, the skeleton. It's shocking how much metal is actually missing.
Ugh, look at it bubbling up. It looks like skin peeling off. It's disgusting, but satisfying. Finally, a clean spot. Okay, this fender is actually savable. Maybe, just maybe, this car isn't total scrap.
Whoa! Whoa! Sparks everywhere. I'm literally cutting the car apart.
Hold it steady, don't burn through. Okay, it's holding. But look at that gap. How am I supposed to fill that? I'm going blind here. It's so hot I can feel it through the gloves.
My ears are ringing. You have to hit it to move this old steel. It's fighting back every...
Are you kidding me? Look at this gap. I could fit a whole sandwich in there. How is it this far off?
Ugh, it's so heavy. Wait, what? Look at that, it's sagging by an inch. Nothing lines up, the whole car is twisted.
Okay, the guide coat tells no lies. Please, please be straight. I can't take any more sanding.
Are you serious? Look at those black spots. It's still low. I have to fill it again? I'm never gonna finish this car.
I've used 5 rolls of tape already. This masking is a nightmare. If I miss one tiny spot, the overspray will ruin everything underneath.
Here we go, cover it up, hide the ugly. Wait, did the gun just spit? No, don't clog on me now. I'm burying this car in primer. We need it thick to hide all those waves. It looks like a gray blob right now. Keep piling it on.
It feels smooth, like glass.
I think we might actually be ready for paint. I'm shaking, I'm so nervous for the color.
If this tape line isn't perfect, the whole paint job looks cheap. I'm holding my breath just to put this tape down straight. I'm sweating.
It looks like we're wrapping a crime scene. This plastic clings to everything.
Get off my arm, we have to seal it tight.
Hey. Oh, wow. Look at that color. Midnight blue. It's so dark, it's almost black, but...
Oh wow, look at that color. Midnight blue. It's so dark, it's almost black, but those flakes, it's gonna be insane.
Don't run, don't run. I have to get paint in this tiny crack without flooding it. My wrist is cramping up so bad.
There is no going back now. Look at it, cover. Goodbye, gray primer. It looks so dark. Is it too dark? Keep the rhythm, don't stop, don't hesitate. If I stop moving, the paint runs. Smooth, smooth, like a dance.
I feel sick doing this. I'm scratching the beautiful paint I just sprayed. But it has to be done to get the mirror finish. Trust the process.
Oh my God, look at that shine. It's like I just dipped the car in glass. It's popping. The color is alive. This is the magic juice. If I mix this wrong, the paint peels off in a month. Precision is everything. Don't mess this up. The moment of truth. Please don't peel the paint. Yes. Crisp line. That is sharp. So satisfying. Whoa, look at that reflection. I can see my own pores. It's not paint anymore, it's a dark blue mirror. We did it. Ew, look at this sludge. It's like black jelly. How did this engine even turn over? It's completely clogged. No way, is that the same block? It looks brand new. The hot tank melted everything off. It's spotless. Gently, gently, don't break a ring. Yes, it slid right in. That fitment is absolutely perfect. Check out that crosshatch pattern. Perfect 45 degrees. That cylinder wall is glass smooth now. The compression is gonna be insane. Waiting for the click. Ooh, come on. There it is. That sound is music. This head isn't going anywhere. Classic Ford blue. Look at it pop. It doesn't even look like a used engine anymore. It looks like it just came from the factory in 1967. This transmission is like a Swiss watch. So many tiny springs. If I lose one clip, we are dead in the water. Focus. Goodbye, squeaky old rubber. These poly bushings are stiff. This Mustang is gonna handle like a modern sports car now. Look at these jets. They were clogged solid with varnish. Now they shine like jewelry. This thing is gonna breathe. Whoa, look at the size of these rotors. We are definitely upgrading from the stock drums. This thing might actually stop now.
My knees are killing me, but look at this. It looks like a spaceship in here. This is gonna be quiet as a vault. No more rattles.
It smells so new. That fresh carpet smell, it suddenly feels like a real car again. Just don't cut the hole in the wrong spot.
My neck is gonna break. This is like ironing a shirt while it's stuck to the ceiling. Stretch!
My fingers are numb. You have to be Hercules to pull this leather tight. But look at those pleats, so crisp.
Steady, steady. Surgeon hands, don't sneeze. Look at that pop, it looks brand new again. It fits perfectly, no gaps. The dash is finally back in. It's actually starting to look drivable. That click sounded expensive. Look at the chrome against the black. We have a complete interior, folks. Unbelievable.
Slowly, slowly. Watch the firewall. Don't scratch that paint. If we hit the engine now, I'm gonna cry. Almost there.
The rope trick works every time. Look at that rubber lip flip over. It's seated perfectly. We have glass. The rope trick works every time. Look at that rubber lip flip over. It's seated perfectly. We have glass. There's the face. It's staring back at me. It looks angry in a good way. The beast is waking up. She's on the ground. Look at that stance. No more jack stands. She's ready to run. It sits perfectly level. The final touch. You aren't just a car, you're a Mustang. Wear the badge. It's official now. Powering up the system. Okay, we have a spark, we have power. The heart is beating.
Moment of truth, please start. Yes, listen to that. It's alive. Oil pressure is good. We did it.
Look at that paint in the sun. It's blinding. From a mossy pile of junk to this. I can't believe it. Let's drive.